name's Mike, and I'm going to show you today how to do some basic maintenance work on a Gtech AirRam. A great bit of technology this, really lightweight vacuum cleaner, works great on wooden floors and on carpets, and much more lightweight than some of the other sort of competition that you can get out there. You can see this one's been put through its paces a bit, quite a lot of wear and tear, and in particular here you'll see the AirLOC, this rubber strip across the front here. It's got a bit ripped. So what you can do is you can ask Gtech to send you a new one of these. If you're under warranty, you should get that for free, otherwise I'm sure they'll sell you one reasonably cheaply. But I thought I'd show you some tips about how to actually replace this today. So first of all, what you need to do is get rid of some of the other bits of the vacuum cleaner from the main base. So you can take off the handle first of all. Really important to take the battery out so we don't have any accidents with that. And what I suggest what you also do here is take out the bin. So I'll just quickly remove that out. You'll see how easy it is to take that apart. Now, the problem I found with this was how to get this brush mechanism outside out of the machine here. And in particular, this black button here doesn't move at all. So here's the black button, you'll see it won't go in, so I can't get the brush mechanism out. So a really good tip, all you need here is a screwdriver, and I would recommend very, very gently, just getting, if Henry can zoom in there just a little bit, get the screwdriver between the red brush and the outside of the vacuum cleaner. The other thing I suggest is put your hand from the bottom through the gap so that you're pushing up against the brush, a little bit of bend on the screwdriver, and as you can see, out she comes. There we go, brilliant, nice and easy. And you'll see now why the button hasn't been moving. Look, if I take this apart here, you'll see in here, look, there's a bit of string or something that's been stuck inside. I'll just remove that in a second, just remove that off. Look at this, all that's coming out, and you can kind of see why that's not been moving very freely. Oh, it's still coming, right, leave that for a moment to clear up. And then look, lots of hairs in there. So I've already done a bit of this work. That was really bad when we had it this morning. Just kind of cut away some of that hair, use a screwdriver, maybe take a bit of time just sorting that out. Okay? So we'll put that down. Obviously what we said we'd do is sort out this AirLOC at the start here. That just pulls out quite easily. Get the new one, which I've just received very kindly from Gtech. What I'm going to do is make sure the metal bars hook under at the end there, and then just push it in. Really easy to do that actually, really quite impressed by how easy that was to get in there. Then put it all back in again, and in particular make sure the tooth bit is down one end. That's it, it's in the other end. You should find now that you don't need the screwdriver. Put it in, put back the bin, put in the battery, and put the handle back in the top. Just like this. And there we go, working good as new.